So this is the GoPro Hero 13 Creator Edition. Now, why would you buy this one over the standard edition? Well, it comes with a few extra accessories that are super useful. So let's take a look at them now. So one of my favorite features, of course, is this Volta battery grip. Now, this can control your camera. You've got your record button, Bluetooth to connect, your battery readout, and also swapping between modes, all at reach, which actually gives you a hand free. So you can reach all these buttons easily, and you've got your hands free to do what you need to. Now, also, really, really useful is that this part rotates round. So it rotates fully 360 if you want to, but it has hard stops where it clicks into place every 90 degrees. So that you know you're always going to be in the correct orientation. And of course, it has this part here, which plugs in to your camera. Now, if you're using the media mod like this, you'll have your USB port here. But if you're not using it in this orientation, you're not using the media mod, then you can just plug directly into the camera. And if you've got this side door, it actually still stays well water resistant by having this part plugged in the side like so. It creates a weather seal there, so no water's going to get in. Now, you wouldn't use this in the water. This is for if it's raining or something like that. Because this stretches, it sort of goes with it when you're moving it around, nice and easy like so. And this version, the new updated one, also comes with the new quick release system. So you can quickly take it off and then film, make adjustments, etc. And the really nice thing about this whole system is that when your camera's removed, the Bluetooth connection takes over and you can still control your camera from a distance, quite a far distance as well, using this now to operate your camera. So you can take it off and then using the quick release feet, mount it to something else. So say you've got that clipped onto like a selfie stick or something like that, or a tripod. Also, another really cool feature of this edition is that it comes with the light. So the light, that's the lowest power. It has this diffuser, so you can make the light appear softer. You can cycle through the 3 different modes. And if you double press, you get a super power mode, which lasts for 30 seconds. And once you're done with that, it will automatically turn back down to a normal setting, or you can press the button to do that yourself. Now, it is brighter without this diffuser, but the light is slightly harder. And then that softens the light, which makes it more appealing on the face. So if you're a bit underexposed, having this light can really brighten your day. So it's quite useful for that. It's pretty powerful and it's really good for vlogging and that kind of thing. Let's turn that off. Also, this light is waterproof, so no need to be concerned if you drop it or anything like that. And it's got a sort of mechanism in here, so it slots into this cold shoe mount and then holds in place nice and securely. With the media mod, we also, which is part of this Creators Edition, we also get 3 ports on the back here. So you've got a HDMI port, so if you want to output to another video source, or if you have something like the display mod, which I'm... So if you have the display mod, for example, that can plug into that HDMI port, and then you've got another big screen that you can have facing towards you. If you don't want to use this little screen here, you can use a slightly bigger one. So that plugs in the HDMI port there. You've also got your USB pass-through, so you can either use that for power or for data transfer. And then you've got a microphone input. So if you want to plug in your own microphone to improve the sound quality with really high quality mics, that can plug straight in there. But you don't need to do that, of course, because you've got a mic on the front there and on the back there that you can use to improve the audio on your whole setup. So when you're vlogging and stuff, you can record straight in there. Now, there's more. This also has tripod feet so that you can leave it standing up. And when it's stood up like that, you can then orientate it how you see fit, and it's there on its own little tripod. And if you're not happy with that because you want it to be a bigger tripod or something like that, you've got your 1/4-20 mount on the bottom so that you can mount it to anything else that you want to that has that kind of 1/4-20 port. We're not done yet. So there's one other really nice little feature, and that's that you press that button and these metal feet come out, and then you've got like a standard GoPro mount. So if you've got something like this, let's say this is the bike mount, which is like a buckle clip on one side and something that you put in your mouth on the other, so you can hold it in your mouth. So that just slots in like so, and then you can clip that in, and that way you can now clip this into different things. Like, say if you've got a buckle clip on your bag or something like that, that can just slot in, so you can have it clipped to you as you walk around, and then quickly, oh, I've seen something I want to film, unclip it, and boom, you're ready to go. Or you could actually film with that clipped on and have it pointed outwards and filming everything. It also can kind of stand up on that, which is quite useful. It just sort of stands because it's balanced, which is pretty cool. While we're down here, we also have this rubber protected slot, and there's a USB-C port, so you can charge the whole unit up. Because, did I not say, this gives you triple, if not more, the battery power of just one individual battery. So it keeps you going for much, much longer situations.